We are FLIT, and this is the FLIT-16, a brand new generation of folding e-bike. The beauty of the FLIT-16 starts with the frame. It's been engineered for high stiffness and incredible handling, and with the battery built in, you can't even tell it's electric. We've engineered a rear suspension system that takes the bumps out of the road. And with a rear hub motor, you'll feel the kick, but always be in control. Our journey began 3 years ago when I met my co-founder Alex. We both loved the way that e-bikes allow people to explore their cities in ways that you can't by car. We wanted to take this idea even further by developing a folding e-bike. To build a folding e-bike that rides as well as it looks, we had to do things a little differently. We developed a custom lithium-ion battery pack and a completely new way of folding. With my background as an automotive engineer, I focused on the bike's geometry to give a comfortable but responsive ride, perfect for city journeys. We then built up a team around us to make our e-bike a reality. I worked closely with David to define our award-winning clean and simple design. Joe spent many long hours prototyping parts of the design to test and perfect it. A year ago, we started working with a specialist aluminium bike manufacturer to build rideable prototypes. With our final prototypes in hand, Alex and Gemma began to tell our story, organising test rides all across the UK. It's been great to hear the feedback from our first FLIT riders.
When you start going, it gives you that kick, that acceleration. It's incredible. It's really cool. I really like it.
After 3 years of development, half a dozen grants and awards, and hundreds of test rides, we are ready to build our e-bike. Join us in the next chapter of our story, and together we'll bring the FLIT-16 to life.